Good afternoon, students. Today we will study lecture 1 Organic Chemistry, Carboxylic Acid, Introduction, Nomenclature, Structure and Acidity. Introduction. A carboxylic acid is an organic acid that contains a carboxyl group attached to an R group. The general formula of carboxylic acid is R bond COOH or RCO2H, with R referring to alkyl, alkenyl, aryl or other group. Carboxylic acids occur widely. Important examples include the amino acid and fatty acid. A carboxylic acid RC double bond OH or RCOOH. Carboxyl group bond C double bond OH or bond COOH. Example of carboxylic acid: formic acid or methanoic acid. HC double bond OH is formic acid. CH3C double bond OH acetic acid or ethanoic acid. CH3CH2CH2COH butyric or butanoic acid. Benzoic acid CH bond CH bond double bond single bond, so benzene ring attached to COOH is benzoic acid. Examples of carboxylic acid. Examples of carboxylic acid again: M nitrobenzoic acid. In M position nitro group is there to benzoic acid, then it is M nitrobenzoic acid. Phthalic acid on benzene ring in ortho position carboxylic acid to a carboxylic acid group phthalic acid. If in meta position two carboxylic group is there, then isophthalic acid. In para position carboxylic acid group is terphthalic acid. On benzene ring CH double bond CH COH cinnamic acid is also known as alpha beta unsaturated acid. Then ortho position COH and NH2 anthranilic acid is also examples of carboxylic acid. Structure and bonding of carboxylic acid. Carbon and oxygen both of carbonyl group are sp2 hybridized. Carbon and oxygen by using one sp2 hybrid orbitals make one sigma bond. Carbon by second hybridized orbital make a sigma bond where sp3 hybridized orbital of carbon of alkane. By third hybridized orbital make sigma bond with oxygen of hydroxyl group. Oxygen and carbon by unhybridized orbital makes pi bond. So we are seeing here an hybridized orbital is there of carbon and oxygen. There it is sp2 hybridization. Three hybrid orbitals are there in sp2 hybridization. So here you are seeing in carbon there is three hybrid orbitals, and also oxygen sp2 hybridization is there, and they are bonding with the other orbitals. All these sigma bonds are present in a plane, and it is a planar molecule, but hydrogen of hydroxyl group lies out of the plane. The bond angle is 111 degrees, 125 degrees and 122 degrees, and here C bond O is bond length is 1.36 angstrom and 1.23 angstrom of double bond C double bond O. Bond length between C double bond O is 1.23 angstrom, and between C and O single bond is 1.36 angstrom. Acidity of carboxylic acid. RC double bond OH plus H2O gives RC double bond O minus plus H3O plus. Acids are those substances which denote H plus ion in solution, while bases are those which gives OH minus in solution or accept H plus ion. Acidity of carboxylic acid can be explained on the basis of stability of carboxylic acid and stability of carboxylate ion. Both have two resonating structures. So here we are seeing resonating structures of carboxylic acid. In second structure charge separation is present. So here we are seeing two structures of carboxylic acid resonating structures, and here resonating structures of carboxylate ion. CH3C double bond O minus, here also CH3C double bond O minus. Then in resonating structure of carboxylic acid, structure 2 has opposite charges are present or charge separation is taking place. Therefore, this makes this form less stable. In carboxylic ion, in both resonating structure 3 and 4 are equally stable. Both are equivalent in all the parameters. Hence, both are ideal resonating structure. As a result, carboxylic ion are more stable than carboxylic acid structure. In carboxylate, in delocalization of pi electrons is responsible for more stability of this ion. Here we are seeing the sp2 hybridization is there, as I told before. So here the structure of sp2 hybridization is there. Effect of substituents on acid strength of acid. Acidity of acids depends on nature of alpha carbon. If electron releasing groups are present on alpha carbon, acidity decreases. But when electron withdrawing groups are attached to alpha carbon, acidity of acid increases. All this is due to inductive effect. Effect of electron releasing groups. Alkyl groups are electron releasing group. More number of electron releasing present on alpha carbon, less is the acidity. Formic acid we are seeing. pK is 3.75, K is 17.7 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Acetic acid 4.76, propanoic acid 4.87 is the pK. In all this above structure, when alkyl groups attached to carbon of carbonyl group repel the electron toward carbon, the negative charge of the carbon of carbonyl group increases. Therefore, removal of proton will become more difficult. Hence, acidity decreases from formic to propanoic acid. As the number of groups are increasing, the acidity is decreasing. Effect of electron withdrawing group. Halogens are strong withdrawing group. When acidity of fluoroacetic acid is compared, it is highest. However, iodoacetic acid is found minimum because fluorine is greater than chlorine, is greater than bromine, is greater than iodine. Electronegativity of fluorine is highest among all the halogens. When more number of electron withdrawing groups are present on alpha carbon, acidity is increased. Here we are seeing pK of CH3COH acetic acid is 4.76, chloroacetic acid is 2.86, dichloroacetic acid is 1.48 and trichloroacetic acid is 0.70. Halogen withdraws sigma bond between electron toward their own side. Hence, positive character of carbon or carbonyl group increases. As a result, release of H plus will become easy. More the number of halogen group, more is the acidity. Trichloroacetic acid is the highest acidic and chloroacetic acid is the less acidic in these examples. Thank you.